Welcome to 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. India is third largest travel market in the world, just behind USA and China for Sabre. Emirates receives Maldives President's Tourism Gold Award. COVID, Hong Kong to lure tourists with free air tickets. Akasa Air to allow pets on board as part of inclusive travel experience. Central government is all set to expand the cable car tourism. J&K alone gets approval for 18 schemes. The Indian hotel industry stands out in Asia in sheer speed of recovery. Jesper Palmqvist. Taj Mahal will be open for night viewing during Sharad Purnima for 4 nights. Grow your travel business with TravServer. Thanks for watching 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Use your full potential to develop and grow your travel business with TravServer CRM. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to stay updated with TravServer.